Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Apple Pie. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video, and you only have 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you do it? So before we get started, let me tell you what we're going to be doing in this video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what I made for summer break, and since my summer break already started, I'm going to be showing what we can do during summer break. So during summer break, we can be you can make this thing called a boredom jar, and I searched the web and found this cute DIY project you can make. And yeah, I didn't really paint it because I didn't really have any time, but like what this is really meant to do is that you like choose something from the jar, and then it says, like, one example is do Cosmic Kids yoga. I don't know if you can read backward or anything, but yeah. So yeah, you could just you could ask your parents to, like your mom or dad, to write something secret, and then you pick it out from the jar like this, like closing your eyes, and then choose it. Says make slime. Slime is really good. All you need is glue and activators. That's all. Oh, and food coloring if you do have, or paint. So yeah. So if you want to decorate this, you can. And I would really rather use plastic than glass jars, because the glass, they keep on shattering onto the floor. It's gonna be really hard to clean it up, and you never know that if it's gonna hurt or not. So I'd rather use a plastic than glass jars. So I used this Himalayan pink salt jar. Plastic. So yeah, I really love this. It's going to keep you busy all the time. And don't forget, for parents, if your kids say that you're bored, like that I'm bored all the time, just make them something like a boredom jar. And I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said in the beginning, please subscribe and always stay together. Bye!